Hi everyone. This unique mix of Cold War design and 21st century technology is the Czezeta 506-02. It's an electric scooter built around the lines, the looks and the legacy of the original Czezeta. Made from 1957. Nicknamed the Communists' Vespa, and more than 120,000 were sold in the 175cc 2-7-year life. But today's Czezeta opts for a cleaner, quieter life. With a 15 bhp electric motor incorporated into the rear wheel and 6 kWh of Panasonic lithium-ion batteries. There are 3 power modes, plus a reverse gear to help maneuver its 187 kilograms. Czezeta claim a top speed of 75 miles per hour, a 0 to 30 miles per hour time of just 2.7 seconds and a range of 75 miles. The linked brakes are strong but lack cabs. Regenerative braking is activated by twisting the throttle forwards. Handling is best suited to city life, those 13 inches wheels making the steering light in traffic but nervous at speed. It's a true feel-good machine though, with plenty of charming touches. The chrome-bezeled Smith's Speedo, a leather wine bottle holder, carpeted under-seat storage. Behringer brake levers and reservoirs, plus machined Rizoma bar end mirrors. Thanks for watching.